I'm going to continue my talk with what are the takeaways here. There is always somebody whose need is more. We do not use old cloth or used cloth. We use only new cloth because there should be dignity in receiving. Neither we believe in hoarding, nor we give to anybody who's going to hoard this. It's all about teamwork. We respect the environment. We respect the buddies. The word buddies, in fact, means that everybody is equal. So we treat each other as equals. And we believe that the cause is bigger than all of us always. Earth is our asset. We want to leave less footprints. One of the other things which is very important in SafeScrap is take decisions. You have this scrap, what to do with it? Okay, make it into a sheet, put it into a bag, do something. Don't just put it into the bag to take a decision some other day. So we learn to take some quick decisions. And doing something is better than doing nothing. So don't try to make it perfect. Just go ahead and just do it. Next time we'll work around on how to make it look better or what else to do with it. Every task is important, whether it is sorting, cutting, labeling, stitching. Every task is equally important. We make mistakes. We try not to repeat them. Every bit that we save is important. We have to remember that there will never be zero scrap in this world. And we give it our best. That is what is the best thing about buddies. They all do what they can to their best ability. Be proud of your work. There are so many things which you could be doing in that time which you spend for SafeScrap and so. Be absolutely proud of it, that you're doing something for someone who you may never meet, you may never know, but it is our Mother Earth who we are contributing this saving of the landfill. The cause is always bigger than all of us. Whenever there is any little bit of disorientation or little bit of discomfort in a group or amongst people or your own feeling with what you have done, I always say this, the cause is bigger than all of us. SSS Bangalore, new buddies, thank you for your time and attention. I'm going to share the screen here. This is the hashtag we use. So if you've done any work, you can use this hashtag. And this is our website, our Facebook, Insta, and Twitter handle. Be proud of your work. Be proud to be a buddy. I'm just going to share here on the screen our website. It's here for people to see. This is our website. There are this page, SSS Reach, gives all the information about where we have distributed, who distributed it, who received it, what date it was. All that information is available. Every page actually gives you an opportunity to become a buddy. You can click on any of the pages and see a tab that says Become a Buddy. You can click there and it sends a mail to us. We also have our YouTube channel, which I'm just sharing here. This has information. Our YouTube channel has information on how to go about making bags, making pillows, making sheets. Easy methods are shared here. We have this information available for anybody who wants to be a part of this. I'm just going to quickly run through the comments. We have Sandhya saying, thank you, ma'am. We have my friend and supporter Sujata saying 3 cheers to SSS. We have Srini, and this is for the Bangalore buddies. Please, Usha, if you can pay attention to this and say, send a message to Srini, and I will connect you. And because I think they can look at working as a school for extra activity, teaching the children how to stitch. We have Gauri here saying, I think you're doing fabulous work. Thank you so much, Gauri, for taking the time and for making a comment. Bhavna once more saying, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Bhavna, for being a buddy. Sandhya, thank you so much for being a buddy. Hema, thank you so much for being a buddy. The needy people feel there are people to care for them. Yes, absolutely. Geeta Vasudevan, thank you for being a buddy. May the tribe grow. This is my cousin. As usual, we need family and friends to support us. Thank you so much, Vidya Tanga. Proud of you, Karna. Thank you so much for being here. Perfect. Keep it simple. Yes. Thank you, Srini. 3 cheers to SSS. And I think we are just about at the end of this conversation for today. Usha? Yeah, Usha. Yeah. Thank you so much one more time, Usha, for being here. It's my proud privilege to have you as a buddy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And we're saying bye to our live audience and to the audience who's going to see this later on. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting Safe Scrap and
Thank you so much. Bye.
Do share, like. Thank you. Bye, Usha. Thank you so much. Thank you. There's Kameshwari here saying thank you. And thank you for being a buddy, Kameshwari. Next time, I hope you'll join us on live. We missed Julie today, who was there earlier on, but I think she had some challenge. Okay, so this is my dad here. Where is my blessings? Without your blessings, where would I be, Pa? So thank you so much. Let me just quickly see if I missed any other message. Yeah, okay. So Appa is also saying blessings to Bangalore buddies. Thank you, Pa. Thank you very much. Now, this is one of our admins saying amazing, appreciate all Bangalore buddies. I don't know who it is because it's an admin. All right. Thank you so much to everyone. Time to say bye. Sorry, I need to remove this from screen. Thank you so much. Safe Scrap and Sue. Before I leave, my last mantra as usual. Efficiency is more important than perfection. Don't try to make it perfect. Just do your work to the best of your ability and everything will look perfect. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody. This is Shambhavi Rajagopal signing off. Bye-bye.